What's up, YouTube? So, can you see this? This is a high spot, low spot, high spot, low spot, high spot, low spot, high spot, low spot. What does that tell you about this tire? It tells you a lot, doesn't it? That this vehicle spends most of its time on the pavement for this tire condition, and also the mass of this tire and this design, the shock is well underrated for this vehicle. This OEM shock cannot handle the deflection and weight of this tire. And lack of rotating the tires regularly, also with the compound of the tire, is just destroying this tire. So if you think about, this car needs tires now. If the tire was the same height all the way around, this tire would be still in pretty good shape. Now back here, since there's more weight on the solid axle, right, you can see that this tire is worn flat. Very, very minute choppiness on the inside. But this vehicle has never seen proper tire rotations, alignments, and underrated shock absorbers for this vehicle. That's that. These tires are not made to be on the pavement and blacktop 99% of the time. So you can see the difference on the drive tires with all the weight, right, keeping the tire in contact with the road and firmly pushed down, right, and it's a drive tire, so they kind of wear smoother. If he rotated his tires regularly, okay, he would get way more life out of his vehicle, on top of the proper shock absorbers, the proper wheel alignment, and the top proper balancing. So what's happening when this guy's driving down the road, the tire is doing this, even though he can't feel it. And once these treads wind up a ½ inch to an inch out of sync, this car will scream down the road and he will constantly have a shake in his wheel.